Hi beautiful, welcome back to my YouTube channel Visual Hairstylist. I hope you all are fine and good with your family. So if you visit my channel for the very first time, I want to tell you that this channel is created for those people who have a craze of hair fashion. If you also have a craze of hair fashion, then you come on a right platform. In this platform, you can get latest hairstyles, trendy haircuts, and bouncy hair dye color ideas for women's and men's both. As well as also you can also get hair growth remedies and girls hair accessories ideas. So don't forget to like and share my videos and keep subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more new updates. My lovely YouTube family, basically my mission is to inspire our viewers to believe in self-confidence and to create their own unique style across all over the categories of fashion. So here you will find the latest trends in visual hairstylist. So guys, I work so hard for you with honesty for you guys. So keep watching my videos and keep spotting me till the end. If you want to know more ideas, let me know in the comment section. I am trying to complete your request and bring up more and trendy hair ideas for you. So dear friends, let's come to the main point. Yes, I am back with some new amazing hair ideas for you guys. These are the latest and the most stylish ideas. So today I am talking about middle part bob haircut. As you know about that, bob haircut is very trendy and famous all over the world. And most of the people were like this haircut and most of the celebrities were inspired with this bob haircut. So as you know about that, I am starting the series of bob haircut. If you want to watch the previous series of the bob haircut, you can visit my channel and watch the videos. And I bring more ideas for you. So guys, you know about that in the bob haircut, your hair lies up to collarbone, and the collarbone bob is the ultimate summer haircut, and give yourself a summer transformation with the ever loved collarbone bob that you more. As you know viewers that day by day bob haircut is very trendy. So a middle part bob is a type of bob that's parted down from the center of the head. It creates a really flattering dramatic change not just to your hairstyle but also to your face because of its face framing prowess. So as you can see in my video, I am sharing with you the several features with this hairstyle. So as you can see in my video, most of the celebrities you will look here that these celebrities were like this haircut, and in the middle part line is down the middle of your short hair, medium or long hair. Middle parts are known are to frame the face highlight and facial features. Until recently, middle part haircuts have never been part of how I style my hair. So when you are edging, middle parting and serve side parting can make you look more older. So instead, do soft irregular parting and change the part every now and then. This is more flattering. Additionally, having bangs can also make you look younger. So middle part bob is very sleek and chic, and it's usually most worn by women who prefer comfort over long or dramatic fluffy hairstyles. This cut will allow you to wear your hair recklessly since it won't come in contact with your face a lot because it has no bangs, and it will definitely look the best on women who are into minimalistic hair. So I am also telling you that how to style middle parted bob. So step 1, you can do it that make sure your hair is properly cut at your desired bob length level. If you not make sure your hairdresser gets it right and straight the next time you pay them a visit. Also make sure that your overall hair volume is the same on the both sides. The most important second part that is Take a round brush and get rid of any knots around your hairline. You should always comb your hair when it's dry, don't comb wet hair. Step number 3, take the end of your brush and drag it across the middle portion of your head because its handle is very small and sturdy. Ideal of parting equally and evenly part your hair on both ends and let it fall seamless. So there is step number 4, take a bit of your favorite hairspray and spray it directly on your brush. This way you will get rid of any frizz while combing it through. And the most important and the last step is here, lay down the edges with your favorite hair gel and make sure you apply some finishing spray. Bob hairstyles with middle part usually look the best with a lot of shine, so make sure you choose spray and gel have some shimmer in them. So if you want to a rock middle part bob, know that it adds balance and it also allows you to play with your hair symmetrically at all times. Usually this hairstyle will look the best on women who have oval or round face shapes because it equally closes it on the sides. However, if you end up wearing your side part bob hairstyle, it will soften the angles of your face, which is why this is ideal for those who have square shaped face. Also, this look is very chic and fashion forward, but women mostly prefer it because it softens any harsh angles. Women usually prefer this look because it hides the roots which may need a new hair salon visitation and coloring. So the shorter blunt bob will suit women who are always running errands or who are super busy the best. This short middle part bob is minimalistic and so effortless, yet it looks like something you had spot on the runaway and when watching a Victoria's Secret fashion show. So my dear lovely viewers, if you want to try this look, you can take the idea from my video and make your personality more attractable as these celebrities. And if you want to know more ideas, let me know in the comment section. I am trying to complete your request and bring up more new updates for you. I hope my today content is very helpful for you. Dear friends, please support me by sharing my videos with your family and friends. Thank you so much guys for watching it. Take a very good care of yourself. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Take care.